air fried ranch wings. This is next level right here, jam packed with flavor, so delicious. I'm trying to let you know. And guess what? It is so easy to make. And you know your boy is about to show you how it's done. So let's get right on into it. Let's get started. So we are gonna begin with about 2 to 2.5 pounds of chicken wings. And what I'm doing here is just drizzling a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys, putting my masseuse hat on and giving them a luxurious massage. This is our seasoning blend right here. Go ahead and get it together, give it a mix, be generous, be heavy-handed, and coat these chicken wings. All right, now that we have our chicken seasoned up, you want to go ahead and load them into your air fryer basket, okay? Go ahead and get them in there. My recommendation is to not stack them on top of one another because you are not going to get a nice, beautiful crisp when you cook them if they are stacked upon one another, okay? So go ahead and let them go in your air fryer for about 20 minutes at 385. Moving on, we are gonna work on this ranch sauce right here. This is so good right here. On the screen, I've listed everything that you need to get it together. And as you can see, that ranch is coming from the Hidden Valley Ranch Seasoning. It's a dry seasoning blend. Usually can find it in a small packet at your local grocery store. And that's the main ingredient right here that's gonna give it that yummy ranch flavor. All right, and everything else that we put in there is just icing on the cake. All right, so this is our chicken right out of the air fryer, looking oh so delicious. It's time to sauce them up. Go ahead and grab a mixing bowl, get all of your chicken wings in that bowl so we can sauce them up oh so proper with this yummy ranch sauce. Now that I have my chicken in the bowl, I'm gonna drop that sauce right on top. Oh my. And you're gonna go ahead and give it a toss. Make sure all your chicken wings are well coated up. I'm gonna hit you with the slow-mo right quick. Tell me this does not look good. Come on now. This is pretty much it. This is the end result. This is what you're gonna be left with. Delicious, out of this world chicken wings right out of your air fryer with no effort at all. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe on your own. Let me know how'd you love it. Come back in the comments, let me know. And I will see you on the next video. If you haven't already, give your boy a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Deuces.